Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys something I used to make when I worked in the deli. Basically I think it's called like Fluff is basically what it's called. But all you need is a thing of angel food cake, some jello, and some Cool Whip. Now I'm using 2 things of jello because I love jello. So I'll let you guys know if you need more or less as I make it. It's been about 20 years since I have made this. So I'm pretty excited to share with you guys with that. So the first thing I'm going to do first is get the angel food cake ready. I'm just going to read the instructions and get that all baked up, ready to go. And then I'm also going to make the jello. So once these 2 are done and ready to go, I'll share with you guys what to do next. Okay, you guys, so I have this finished. Just basically read the directions. I had it sitting sideways on it. It's been sitting down cooling off. They said the jello needs to sit in the fridge for 4 hours, so it is pretty much ready to go. And then we got the Cool Whip. So the next thing I'm going to do is start putting everything in a bowl and start mixing it up. Okay guys, so I have the jello and the Cool Whip inside, and then I broke all the angel food cake into pieces. Now it'll break up as you continue stirring. I also took off some of the hard pieces that was on the angel food cake, just because, you know, you don't want to bite into like a burnt hard piece. So you're just going to continue mixing this until everything is completely blended. Okay guys, there it is. You'll have like chunks of the angel food cake, but there's nothing wrong with that. This is a great thing to bring if you guys ever need a dish to pass. You do get filled pretty fast, but it's a great thing to have if you guys ever need something to bring for a dessert. So I'm going to try it because it's been forever since I've made this. So let's just dig in. I got a big piece of angel food cake right here. So let's just dig in. Okay guys, so it's good. It tastes exactly like how I made it. The only thing is I probably added too much jello. You could probably get away with 1 thing of jello, but I love jello, so I think this is fine. Pretty easy. It will kind of get mushy as time goes on, so you do want to eat it pretty fast, but this makes a great dish to pass or dessert if you guys ever need something. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.